Hello everyone. Nature is full of surprises, and these one-in-a-billion moments reveal its true power. From incredible animal encounters to breathtaking natural events, witness the rare beauty and unstoppable force that define the wild. The sky burned with vibrant oranges and golds, but it was the heart-shaped cloud that stole the show, as if nature itself was sending a message of love to anyone lucky enough to look up. Looks like Laguna is about to star in its own epic storm scene. The sky's putting on a show, but I'm pretty sure no one's sticking around for the finale. Time to get inside before the storm steals the spotlight. The sandstorm rolled across the landscape like a giant, swirling tidal wave of dust, blotting out the sky and turning the world into a sepia-toned haze, consuming everything in its relentless path.
Oh my God! Oh my God! My ear!
This lightning strike in Vermont are rare, but not unheard of, especially during severe storms in the summer. It's always a good idea to be cautious when camping during storm season. It's like the ground turned into a giant rug being shaken from underneath. Everything moves, but there's nothing they can do except wait for the tremor to pass. Earthquakes really do put things into perspective. It's hard to believe we're seeing molten lava bubbling like that in real life. Nature's power is on full display here. It's like watching a scene from a disaster movie, except this tornado is all too real. The calmness of the deck versus the fury of the approaching storm creates an eerie sense of impending chaos. Well, the combination of heavy winds and saturated soil caused the tree to lose its grip and fall, leaving the street blocked and the neighborhood in need of cleanup. The Squaw Creek National Wildlife Refuge is a crucial stopover point for migrating birds, especially snow geese. These birds migrate from the Arctic to warmer climates in the south, often covering thousands of miles in their journey. The floodwaters surged like a wild beast, twisting and roaring through the streets, transforming the peaceful village into a chaotic, muddy river. Every corner of the town seemed swallowed by the rushing current. Why does lightning sometimes look purple like this? It's caused by the way light refracts through storm clouds, creating this unusual color. Dust tornadoes like this are common in Saudi Arabia, especially in desert regions, where high winds can whip up sand and dust, turning clear skies into a brown haze within minutes. The recent volcanic activity in the area led to the lava flows reaching the dam. As the molten rock breached the barrier, emergency teams tried to slow its advance with water jets, but the sheer heat and movement of the lava made control difficult. Once the ground is oversaturated, it loses its strength, leading to sudden collapses like this one in Utah. Newport Beach is known for its dolphin sightings, as the coastal waters here are home to a variety of marine life. This dolphin parade is just one of the incredible sights you can catch on the ocean. The powerful winds and stormy seas have left the ship struggling to stay stable, leaving passengers anxiously waiting for rescue teams. The unpredictable weather has turned what was likely a peaceful trip into a tense, dangerous situation.